Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Study with Entomologist. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Our main goal is to crack ASRB NET 2025 in entomology. So today's video, we will discussing the ASRB NET 2016 entomology question. So let's get started. So here is the first question is, Paparin disease in silkworm attack to which stage? So the answer is larval stage. Second question, which of the following insect is an efficient pollinator? So answer A is the correct option, honeybee. Third mode of action of spinosad. So the mode of action of spinosad is nicotinic acetylcholine receptor allosteric activator. Fourth question, which of the following insecticide is a chloronicotinyl insecticide? So imidacloprid is the correct option here. Now the fifth question is, which of the following pest is univoltine? So here is the correct option is white grub. Now sixth question, in which country the biological control has been evolved first? So the answer is USA. Now seventh question, first time which insect has been utilized in biological control scientifically? So the answer is Rhodalia cardinalis. It introduced from the Australia to California. Now the eighth question, which of the following pest is a scavenger? So in the option, cockroach is the correct answer. After that, which of the following is not a primary function of blood? So transport of oxygen is the function of blood. After that, defense mechanism is also correct. Transport of food material hormone is also correct. Only the conservation of the water is, so conservation of water is the not a primary function of the blood. So here the answer is conservation of water. After that, 10th question, embryologically origin of trachea is the ectoderm. So 11th question is, blue disease of cotton is transmitted by, so it is transmitted by the aphids. 12th question, furky and catter disease of cardamom are transmitted by which insect? So it is transmitted by the banana aphid, Pentaloria necronervosa. 13th question, according to Insecticide Act 1968, pheromone are used for, so pheromone are used for the attractant, mating disruption, antefeedant. So the answer is attractant. 14th question, pheromone secreted by male in, so it is secreted by all. After that, highly notorious polyphagous pest is, so it is the Helicoverpa armigera. 16th question, which of the following chemical used as a fumigant? So in the option, methyl bromide, perfume, phosphine, so all these are used as a fumigant. After that, fourth generation insecticide. So the fourth generation insecticide are the anti-juvenile hormone. 18th question, which of the following is a chemosterilant? So metapa, tapa and hempa, these all are the chemosterilant. After the 19th question, the beetle Zygogramma bicolorata introduced for the control of Congress grass is also found to be pest on. So here the correct option is sunflower. 28th question, the share of microbial pesticide in the total world pesticide market is, so it is 1 to 2%. 21st question, the crop which consumes higher pesticide in India, so it is cotton. 22, for an insecticide to enter through the spiracle, it should have, so it should have high vapor pressure. 23rd question is, reproduction by the development of an egg that has not been fertilized with the sperm, so it is the parthenogenesis. So 24th question, in which type of spraying there is comparatively more drift loss? So in high volume spray. 25th, passing of air of low velocity within the grain. 26th question, biological species concept was given by, so it was given by the Meyer. 27th, scientific name of desert locust is, so Cystosarga gregaria is the desert locust scientific name. 28, the period required for a vector from acquisition to inoculation, so it is latent period. 29, what is the role of hemolymph as a hydraulic medium in insect? So the role is assisting in the expansion of body and wings after molting. 30th question, PTTH is secreted by, so it is secreted by the neurosecretory cell. 31, pests that occur in an area regularly, so it is endemic pest. 32, National Center for Integrated Pest Management is located at, so it is located at the New Delhi. Communication in bee was discovered by, so it is discovered by the Carl von Fisch. 34, rice virus is transmitted by, so it is transmitted by the green leaf hopper. 35, citrus greening is disease is transmitted by, so it is transmitted by the psyllid. 36, digging trench around the field is a management practice for which pest? So it is for the all, red hairy caterpillar, locust, grasshopper. 37, which of the following is Indian honey species? So the Apis cerana indica is the correct option. 38, scalonization of tobacco leaves is due to the damage of tobacco caterpillar. 39, the increase in the concentration of a substance in animal tissue related to the animal higher position in the food chain is called as biomagnification. 40, the type of release in which the control is expected from the progeny and subsequent generation and not from the release itself, so it is inoculative release. 41, which part of the groundnut is attacked by the groundnut bruchid? So the correct option is C, both pod and canal. 42, The population level at which the economic damage caused by an insect pest is equal to the cost of damage control. So it is ETL, economic threshold level. The 43rd question, Dimbova is considered to be the resistance factor against European corn borer. So the option is first generation. 44th, the type of mechanism in which adverse effect of the host plant on the biotype of the insect. So it is called as tolerance. 45th question, the number of biotype are reported in rice brown plant hopper. So it is 4. The number is 4. 46. Conservation of water in insect digestive system is done by which part? So the part is rectal pad. 47. The best time of spraying against the noctid moth. So the correct option is evening time. The 48th. Which of the following tool is are used to measure the behavior of insect toward the odor source? So the option both A and B are the correct. Wind tunnel and Y olfactometer. So the correct option is D. The 49. Which pest feed on the silk and developing cob in maize? So the correct option is Helicoverpa armigera. The 58th question, the BT brinjal contain which cry toxin against the Leptinotarsa decimelineata? So the option C, that is the cry 3 is the correct option. 51, the length of a single silk strand reeled by a silkworm. So 1300 meter is the correct option. 52, the equipment that convert liquid into different droplet for applying agrochemical. So option sprayer is the correct option. 53, during the flight or flying, the wing are moved by which muscle? So it is moved by the intrinsic muscle. 54, the position of wing in thorax. So position is dorsolaterally. 55, mostly used host plant of lag insect in India. So it is Ber, Kusum, Pala. So all option is correct. 56, which of the following rodenticide is a multi-dose, slow-acting and chronic poison? So the correct option is warfarin. 57, the lag insect usually passes through. So lag insect usually passes through 2 generations per year. 58, the most effective pollinator of the lucerne crop is, so it is honeybee. 59, honeybee use light of the sky to navigate, flight or to reach. So polarized is the correct option. 60th question, wing are moved upward and downward. Which muscles are involved? So indirect flight muscles are involved. 61, predator completes its life cycle by, so it completes its life cycle by more than one host. 62, ICZN rules and terms are called as recommendation. 63, fumigant ecofume composition is phosphine plus CO2 carbon dioxide. 64, in rice, gall produced by the gall midges is due to, so it is due to the elongation of the leaf sheath. 65, the Murda disease in chili is due to which pest? So it is due to the mite, whitefly, thrips. So it is due to the all of these. So here the all are the correct option. 66, ICR Indian Institute of Natural Resin and Gum is located at, so it is located at the Ranchi, Jharkhand. 67, which sex of lag insect is important for lag production point of view? So female is important for lag production point of view. 68, the cattle screwworm control using sterile insect technique was done in which island? So it was done in the island Senegal. Now 69, yellow marigold is a grown as a trap crop in tomato majorly for which pest? So it is for the pest Helicoverpa. Now the last question of today's video, upward curling of chili leaves with the rat tail like leaf tip. So it is due to the thrips. Or in case of mite, there is the downward curling of chili leaves. So here is the upward curling of chili. This is due to the thrips is the correct answer. So thank you so much for watching.